Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I have a new bike, Dominator, and it's not working. It doesn't want to start up. So I tried everything, but I'm out of the ideas. So please, if you have any experience, help me out with this one. I have a spark, gasoline also. Everything is wired and should be okay. Any suggestions why the engine is not starting? The history of the bike is written in the description section. Thanks guys.